Hey guys, it's Sid with SVTPerformance.com, and I've got a little tech tip for you 7.3 Godzilla owners. If you change your own oil, you're going to want this. So, as you can see, your oil fuel plug is over here. Kind of a pain to get to, way deep down in the engine bay, but pull that bad boy out. And then, of course, when you want to go fill your oil up, you try to stick a funnel down in there, and it just does not want to live in this area. It just keeps popping out and all that kind of stuff. I always use this funnel, and it's just kind of on a weird angle. So went over to the Ford dealership, picked up one of these, a HL3Z6763B, which is this little guy. I think this goes on a Coyote F-150. So one important step is, though, you're going to have to loosen this coil pack and sort of slide it over to the side in order to be able to tighten this thing down properly. There just wasn't quite clearance without doing that, but once you do, you can just twist it into place, and right there you go. Pretty much simple as that. And that's it. We've got the little extension in right there. Coil is tightened back down. You can see, get that funnel right in place. Now it's a much easier to fill the oil. And I can use my favorite funnel. What more can you ask for? When you're done, scrub your oil cap, pop her right back in there. Just like that. Factory Ford OEM part, just added to an application that didn't come on. So, if you guys are interested in one, right there you go. Pick these up at any Ford dealership, or I'll probably put a link in the description to somewhere if you want to be like super lazy and just click a link and buy it. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please subscribe. Head over to SVTPerformance.com. Let me know if there's any other neat things like this you can add to just make life a little bit simpler on 7.3 Godzilla trucks or anything else. Appreciate you guys, and thank you very much for watching this video.